like, share. Be like them. Be like them. Same face, same posing, fake life, same trends, same clothes, same damn lies. Scrolling fast, no one feels everything is copy paste real. Different names but all the same. Chasing views, chasing fame.